Welcome to Glow and Slim Eats, your go-to channel for radiant health and lasting weight loss. Are you tired of trying fad diets and brutal workouts with little to no results? You might be overlooking one of the most powerful tools for weight loss. Hidden ingredients in your kitchen or supermarket that quietly melt away belly fat, support your metabolism, and supercharge your health. Stick around till the end, because we're revealing 10 powerful but lesser-known fat-burning ingredients, plus how to use them correctly. You don't want to miss number 1. It's a game changer. Let's dive in. 10. Cumin Seeds, the flat tummy booster. You probably know cumin as a spice in your stews, but did you know it's a belly fat-fighting powerhouse? Cumin increases your body's metabolism, reduces bloating, and helps with digestion. It's rich in phytosterols, plant compounds that block cholesterol absorption. How to use? Soak 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in water overnight. Drink the water on an empty stomach the next morning. Do this daily for 2 weeks and see visible changes. 9. Apple cider vinegar, the appetite suppressant. This fermented tonic isn't just trendy, it's effective. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which reduces insulin levels, improves metabolism, and suppresses appetite. How to use? Mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of water and drink before meals, no more than twice a day. Tip: don't drink it undiluted. It can damage your teeth and throat lining. 8. Psyllium Husk, the satiety secret. Psyllium husk is a soluble fiber that expands in your stomach, helping you feel full longer. It also regulates blood sugar and supports gut health, 2 major players in reducing belly fat. How to use? Stir 1 teaspoon in warm water or add to smoothies before meals. You'll feel fuller and eat less without even trying. 7. Wheatgerm, the metabolic mini-meal. This hidden superfood is packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients like B vitamins and magnesium, key for burning fat efficiently. How to use? Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons on yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal in the morning. It boosts metabolism and gives lasting energy. It's like flipping on your fat-burning switch. 6. Hibiscus Tea, the belly bloat buster. This crimson herbal tea does more than look pretty. Hibiscus contains flavonoids and polyphenol that help reduce abdominal fat and fight inflammation. How to use? Steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Drink it chilled or warm twice daily. It also helps reduce water retention. Say goodbye to puffiness. 5. Fennel Seeds, the gut cleaner. Fennel seeds are natural diuretics that help detoxify the body and reduce water weight. They also aid digestion and curb appetite. How to use? Chew 1/2 teaspoon after meals, or make fennel tea by boiling 1 teaspoon of seeds in water. Better digestion equals less bloating equals flatter tummy. 4. Aloe Vera juice, the fat metabolizing elixir. Aloe vera juice helps increase your body's metabolism and improves digestion. It also balances blood sugar, reducing fat storage around your waistline. How to use? Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with a cup of water. Drink first thing in the morning, 3 to 4 times a week. You'll notice a light, detoxified feeling within days. 3. Flaxseeds, the hormone helper. Flaxseeds are high in omega-3s and lignans, which help balance hormones, reduce inflammation, and support fat loss, especially in the abdominal region. How to use? Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your breakfast bowl or smoothie. Whole seeds pass through undigested, so go ground. They'll keep cravings and belly fat in check. 2. Chlorella, the detox greens. Chlorella is a freshwater algae loaded with antioxidants and chlorophyll. It binds to heavy metals and toxins that may be contributing to stubborn belly fat. How to use? Take chlorella in tablet or powder form, 1 to 2 grams daily. Add to water or smoothies. It's like a mini detox for your belly. 1. Black seed, Nigella sativa, the ancient fat melter. This miraculous seed is praised in both modern science and prophetic medicine. Black seed contains thymoquinone, a compound that reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, and boosts fat burning. How to use? Take half a teaspoon of black seed oil daily or sprinkle the crushed seeds on meals. As the saying goes, black seed is a cure for every disease except death. It's your ultimate hidden weapon for fat loss. How to combine these for maximum impact. You don't have to use all 10 at once. Start with 2 to 3 based on your lifestyle. For example, morning, cumin water plus aloe vera juice. Afternoon, hibiscus tea or psyllium husk before lunch. Evening, fennel tea plus black seed oil after dinner. Cycle them weekly and be consistent. Remember, real results come from sustained habits. These hidden ingredients aren't magic potions, but when paired with a healthy diet and daily movement, they become powerful allies in your weight loss journey. Start small. Be consistent. Trust the process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Glow and Slim Eats for more natural weight loss secrets. Turn on the bell icon to never miss a glow up.